Live edge slab, it's where the bark and the natural edge and the contours of the tree, of the slab, are still present. They haven't been tooled or machined or sanded or manipulated much. This is a beech piece, and when you handle it, it's a beech. It's a big ass tree, huge, it's gigantic.
How much do you think that weighs?
I think it weighs about 1,500 pounds. Generally, they're used most in dining room tables, bar tops, wherever you could put a huge chunk of wood. So when we get it, it's literally just the giant tree. We then take it to our outdoor slabbing mill. So we're gonna cut it, then we're gonna dry it in the kiln. And that process, depending upon the thickness of the wood, the moisture content in the wood, can make the project take from 6 months to 2 or 3 years. We've got beech and elm and soft maple and hickory and a lot of unique species that you don't see on the commodity wood market on the big scale. I think we have over 500 slabs right now. We are literally trying to make long-lasting pieces of furniture, whether it's a table and benches to go with it, or countertops or hibachi tops, or outdoor pieces and benches. Some people just use them for a beautiful wall display. So we're trying to refine it as little as possible and just embellish the beauty that's already there.